How to create a collaborative playlist on Apple Music. Welcome to another Gauging Gadgets Apple Music tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a collaborative playlist on Apple Music so that you can share the playlist with other people and they can add or remove songs from the playlist. And if this video helps you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribe to my channel because that really helps me out. Now, before we get started, it's important to note that in order to get collaborative playlists on Apple Music, you need to make sure you have the latest update for your iPhone. And to quickly do that, just go into the settings, then select General, and then Software Update, and just make sure that you have the latest version here. Once you ensure you have the latest version of iOS on your iPhone, all we need to do is open up Apple Music, then just go to your library and find the playlist that you want to make collaborative. This can be a new playlist or any playlist that you've created in the past. So select the playlist you want to make collaborative, and then in the top right, select the little person with a plus symbol icon. From there, all you need to do is select Start Collaborating. You can first turn on Approve Collaborators, which if someone tries to join the playlist, you'll have to approve them before they can actually join. So select Start Collaborating. Once you do that, it'll bring up where you can share it in your latest messages or copy the link below to share it in social media or something like that. Additionally, once you've made a playlist collaborative, you can always just select the person icon in the top right again to either get that share invite link again, a QR code where people can just scan that with their iPhone and then they'll be able to join the playlist, or you can even stop the collaboration, which will make the playlist no longer collaborative. Additionally, you can turn on that approval option if you want to. And check the description. I'm going to be adding a link to a collaborative playlist just for this video, so anyone who watches this video can join that playlist and add their favorite songs. All right, so that's how you create an Apple Music collaborative playlist. If you have any questions about this, leave a comment below. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. If you'd like to see more iPhone tips and tutorials, check the links in the description. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel, Gauging Gadgets, for more gadget reviews and tech tutorials. Thank you so much for watching.